Hi guys, so this is the last problem of the exam. What they want is to find the values of a and b for which the function is continuous in all R. This is a piecewise function, okay? This is a piecewise function. So this means that we need to analyze by different intervals, okay? So first of all, we need to be clear here. To be continuous means that the function exists like in all the domain, right? So here we need to do the following. So we need to say, and we need to pay attention really here, 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 and here, okay? So it says, if the limit when x goes to -1 from the left of the function needs to be equal to the limit when x goes to -1 from the right of f of x. Notice that this f of x and this f of x are not equal. And this means that the limit, the limit when x goes to -1 of f of x exists. So to a function to be continuous means that the limit, right, in all of the domain exists, right? So that's why we are working analyzing this equality, okay? So now that we know this, we try to write the other one, which means focus on this and this. So this is gonna be the limit when x goes to 3 from the right of f of x needs to be equal to the limit when x goes to 3 from the right of f of x. This needs to be the limit when x goes to 3 of f of x exists. Which basically it means that we're gonna analyze, evaluate -1 exists. Same here, f of 3 exists. Why? Because at the end we're gonna have to plug this -1 or this 3 in the function, so it's the same. Okay, so now that we have clear that for a function the domain needs to exist to be continuous, right? We need to do these equalities just so we know and to be clear that the x for all of these intervals, the x will exist, okay? So we start doing the first one. I'm gonna do it with another color, green. Let's go. So it says the limit when x goes to -1 from the left of, we need to see, right? So this is -1 of x plus 2a will be equal to the limit when x goes to -1 from the right of which one? Of this one, ax plus b. Remember something. I'm gonna do it. I don't know, something like this. So we have here is -1 and here is 3. So the function is defined. This is x plus 2a. This is gonna be ax plus b. This is gonna be 2ax minus 3b. So now that you know that for the interval you have a different function, you can easily understand this topic. For example, let's go from the left, right? From the left, you need to use what? This function, and this is the one that we have over here. From the right, which one we need to use? Ax plus b. Excellent. Same here and the same over here, right? So if we plug this, we're gonna have minus 1 plus 2a equals to minus 1a plus b. We're going to have 3a equal to b plus 1, right? Okay, guys, perfect. So here we have the first equation. Let's go to the second equation. It's this one, right? It's this one that goes over here. So this is the limit when x goes to 3 from the left. It's gonna be equal to what? This function, ax plus b. It's going to be the limit when x goes to 3 from the right. Which one, guys? This one. If we plug this one, then we're gonna have 3a plus b equal to 6a minus 3b. This is gonna be 3a equal to 4b. But we know this function, right? So I can easily replace it over here. So let's see that this one is second. So I'm gonna say 1 in 2, right? So we're gonna have, let me see, 3a means b plus 1 equals to 4b. So this is gonna be 1 equals to 3b, which means that this is going to be, b is gonna be 1/3. Perfect. If we plug this one over here, then I have to say that 3a is gonna be 1/3 plus 1. 3a it's gonna be 4/3. a it's gonna be 4/9. And we found the values of a and b, just like that. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to replace it, right, in the equation. So let me just copy this one. So this is how you need to finish the topic, right in this one. Okay, yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, let me just wait a second. Better. Okay, so let's go. F of x, this is a piecewise function. Okay, so this is gonna be, let me make it more bigger. Okay, so let's go. It's x plus 2a. What is 2a? It's gonna be 8/9 when x is less than -1. Then we go, Jesus God, it's more bigger, maybe like this. The second one's gonna be 4/9, right? X plus b is 1/3 when x goes from -1 to equal 3. And the third one is going to be 8/9 x minus 1/3, it goes -1 when x is bigger than 3. Let me do this way bigger. Okay, perfect, guys. So yeah, at the end, this was continuity, for a piecewise function. This is very important to understand. Remember here that first of all you need to do this diagram just so you understand what are you, right? And remember that these equations needs to satisfy. I mean, needs to be equal. Why? Because they're saying you that the function is continuous. To be continuous means that for the domain, every x needs to exist, right? So this is why you prove continuity when you have a piecewise function. So this is all, guys. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I'm gonna write you my email, and also I'm gonna send you this PDF in order so you can watch it and understand it. So thank you guys for your attention, and have a nice day.